Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to bring you guys along on a what I eat in a day and a little weight loss update. So let's go ahead and get into it. Alright guys, so it is actually almost 10 right now. I did childcare drop off. Actually my husband and I split it, but I came home and got a little bit of work done, and then I just wanted to vacuum my floors really quick, so that was like my break. And then things are exploding. Goodness. Okay. As I was saying, so that was kind of my break, and then I just made some breakfast. So I have a busy work day, which is a little bit abnormal for me. I just have a lot of things to get done. I've been having some issues with access to a certain program that I need. My access was finally restored today, so now I have to catch up on like 2 weeks worth of work because that's how long it's been down. It's been crazy. But let me go ahead and turn you guys around so you can see what I'm having for my late breakfast. All right guys, so I made some brioche French toast like 2 days ago basically, and whenever I make like a baked good like breakfast, I either stick it in the freezer or in the fridge, and then I'll just like eat that for a couple days. And then I also am just doing some peaches with it, like some peach compote, to get a little bit of fruit. And then I'm gonna do a little bit of syrup on here, and that's gonna be it. So I did work out this morning. I did like a 45-minute full body strength workout. I will link that in case you're interested. And I'm gonna do a little syrup also. And then I had a little bit of a protein shake before we went to do like kiddo run around drop off stuff. And I made my iced coffee also, which I am loving this creamer right now. So good. I make my own like brown sugar syrup, but I do a little bit of sugar, of the brown sugar, a little bit of sugar-free vanilla, this creamer, and then just some, you know, whatever, just iced coffee. And it tastes very similar. If you like the Starbucks brown sugar oat latte or whatever it's called, shaken espresso something, it tastes similar to that. So that was like my goal for that little concoction, and it tastes so yummy. So I'm sipping on that, and I had 50 ounces of water already today. I'm gonna eat my French toast, and then I will be back with you guys for lunch later. Okay, here's my half-eaten lunch because I totally forgot I was I'm trying to film today. So I'm just having some salad, and on this I put some like dried cranberries, like craisins, and some candied pecan, so a couple of chicken strips, like 2 smaller ones, just cut them up, and then I use a dressing. This is my favorite dressing. Where is it? This guy's Brianna's Home Style Blush Wine Vinaigrette. My favorite. So good. Perfect, like summery kind of salad. So that is my lunch. Alright guys, I'm back from picking Eliza up from preschool, and I'm having a snack right now. I'm gonna have a Built Puff. This is the cookie dough one. These are so good. It has little chunks of cookie dough on them, and I'm just working right here in the hallway. So that's gonna be the afternoon, just a little snack. I am also having a diet, what is this? Cherry Coke Zero, because I needed some extra caffeine today. I did not finish my coffee, but I actually thought I had like longer to pick Elias up, and turned out I had to pick him up earlier than I thought. So yeah, I needed a little bit of extra caffeine because I was running low. So that's what we're doing for the afternoon, is just working, having a snack, making him some popcorn right now, and he's doing Play-Doh and watching Bluey. That's pretty much how our afternoons go. All right, I moved on to another snack. I'm having some of these Cheeto Puffs, the white cheddar ones. These are super good. I'm having like, I don't know, half a bowl of them. I don't even know how much a serving is. 32 pieces. So yeah, probably, I mean, not quite that, but who knows, I may have more. They're so good, so light. Perfect little crunchy snack. Alright guys, I feel like I have this dinner all the time, but I'm just having rice, some teriyaki salmon, and broccoli. This is leftovers. I actually made it yesterday for dinner, so just some leftovers, make it nice and easy, but so good. Hey friends, so it is the next day. I completely forgot to both show you guys my dessert, my evening snack, and close out the video yesterday. So we're talking the following day. And basically what I had after the kids went to bed, I made cut up an apple and had apple slices and some cookie butter. And then after that, I did have a little bit of ice cream. So I had a couple scoops of mint chocolate chip ice cream after that. And that was it. So, and I did also, I'm drinking some emergency packets right now in water. So I had like 20 ounces of water with 2 packets in it. And I'm just doing that right now because we're in the back to school season and COVID is like really, kind of ramping up and stuff. So just trying to boost my immune system. Again, because I get sick pretty easily, knock on wood, that nothing happens, but I'm always trying to just boost my immune system and get a little extra stuff in me. So, but I did want to share a little weight loss update with you guys, which will include where I'm at with my weight loss goal and what I'm doing as far as, the program I'm following. So as far as the program goes, I'm actually not doing WW anymore. I shared in my last What I Eat in a Day that I was taking a test break from WW just to see how I would do without tracking. And I have been really happy with the results that I've been getting and where I'm at with not counting points, counting everything that goes in my mouth, essentially. I really get kind of nervous when I'm on super strict plans that I'll fall into not being able to eat just regularly, with my family, with my friends, just responsibly, I guess. And so I think WW and other apps and tools like that are really great as tools, but you really have to learn how to eat in the real world, out with your family in all these different social situations that WW isn't necessarily cut out for, and figure out how to eat in a way that your body responds to, in a way that still helps you to get to your goals. So I'm not following WW anymore, and that I've been off of WW for about 2 months now. At first I was just maintaining my weight loss, and that was fine because I wasn't super focused on actually losing more weight at the time. But then I did really want to hit my next goal, and so I got back to just focusing on what I was actually eating and following some good guidelines, which my basic guidelines for eating well is to get a serving of veggies in at every meal, so at least 3 servings of veggies. I usually do 2 servings at lunch and then 1 at dinner, so that makes up my 3. Or I'll do 1.5 at lunch and then 1 as a snack and then 1 at dinner or something like that. Kind of break it up different ways depending on the day. But that's my biggest goal, is to get in 3 servings of veggies during the day. And at least 1 serving of fruit. I aim for 2 servings of fruit. Sometimes that doesn't happen. Just because I'm not the biggest fruit snacker. Fruit's just not what I reach for when I want to snack. But then also prioritizing protein. So with every meal and snack, making sure that I'm getting protein in, which you guys saw with the Built Bar. I also tend to favor those Premier Protein shakes, those kinds of things, as a quick kind of supplement. And that really helps with getting my protein in, especially if I have one for breakfast. And then I'll have a kind of a heavier snack later on, something like that. So that's my focus. And then getting my water in. So I aim for between 70 and 100 ounces of water every day. And I hit that no problem. I don't even count or track that anymore. Honestly, I just focus on that, and that happens without really any issue. And then the only other real guideline that I follow or try to maintain is just keeping a sweet snack towards the night, which isn't the best, but I find that I'm going to want something chocolatey in the day sometime. And so if I just keep myself to having that at night, then I have a smaller amount, and it helps me to make choices and reach for other things throughout the day rather than just reach for chocolate all day long, if I have that little like guideline in mind. So that is kind of the guidelines I set for myself and where I'm at. Like I said, not following WW right now. And I will say, like I said, it's working for me. So when I stopped following WW, I had lost about 14 pounds and was kind of stalled out between 14 and 16 pounds. And right now I'm actually down to having lost 21 pounds. And so I've lost an additional 5 to 7, depending on the fluctuation, pounds with just following healthy eating guidelines. And, kind of just the basic like ideas that WW teaches you, but in a more kind of relaxed way. So I'm really enjoying it. It definitely gives me freedom to have like treats and things like that. We have some friends that come over like once a week, and we like to get crumble cookies, and we'll just like cut like small, cut them into like 4 pieces or 8 pieces or something, and try like little bites of each one. So that'll be like a treat I have during the week, and I don't have to worry about it. I don't have to count points for that. I don't have to worry about how many calories is this. Like I just have a little bit and it's done, and then I move on. And I'm not like trying to binge on a bunch of snacks and sweet stuff because it's not like on my plan. I'm just focused on eating well and eating healthy. So far it's working for me. I think if I stall out later on and I'm struggling to like lose weight again, then I'll probably find something else. Like I'll either go back on WW, or I'll do calorie counting for a while, or just kind of mix it up a little bit. But it really just depends on what you like and what works for you. I would like to lose another probably 5 to 8 pounds. Sorry, 5 to 8 pounds? 5 to 10 pounds. Is probably my ultimate goal was like 32 pounds. So I'm about 10 pounds away from that right now. So give or take, a few pounds. We'll see. I'm definitely very happy with the strength level that I have right now, and all of that. So yeah, I'm in a good place, and I feel strong and energized and capable of making good choices when it comes to what I'm eating. So I feel like those are like the biggest things for me that are most important. So anyway, I just thought I would share that with you guys and update you. So thanks for watching today's video. I'll talk to you soon. Don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Bye.